Ahoy there, cruise enthusiasts! Ready to set sail on the adventure of a lifetime? Packing for a cruise is like preparing for a floating city, minus the traffic jams. From poolside lounging to fancy dinners, you need to be ready for anything, even unexpected limbo contests. So, grab your suitcase, your sense of adventure, and maybe a rubber ducky or two, because I'm about to share my top 10 must-have items for your next cruise. Let's set sail. First up, let's talk about staying connected. Sometimes you need to check in with the real world or share that perfect sunset selfie. Enter the travel router, your tiny tech hero. It's like having your own personal Wi-Fi superhero, swooping in to save you from internet withdrawal, even in the middle of the ocean. Next up, swimsuits. And no, I don't mean just one. You need one for lounging by the pool, one for actual swimming, and maybe even one for those spontaneous late-night hot tub sessions. Because, let's face it, you never know when you'll need to make a splashy entrance or a quick escape from a cannonball contest. Cruises are known for their elegant evenings. So, pack your most fabulous outfit because you never know when you might bump into the captain or get invited to a royal ball. I'm kidding. Or am I? But seriously, pack something sparkly, something swanky, and something that makes you feel like the dancing queen or king you truly are. And don't forget those dancing shoes. Whether they're bedazzled or have little disco balls on them, make sure they're ready to boogie. Now that we've covered the glamorous side of cruising, let's talk about relaxation. One of the best parts of a cruise is just kicking back, soaking up the sun, and getting lost in a good book. Or, pretending to read while actually napping with your sunglasses on. Alright folks, this next one is crucial sunscreen. And I'm not talking about that weak SPF 15 you found hiding like a scaredy cat in your bathroom cabinet. We're talking serious sun protection here, like SPF 50+, the superhero of sunscreens. Trust me, your skin will thank you, and you'll be able to enjoy those sunny days on deck without worrying about turning into a human lobster or a crispy piece of bacon. Now, let's talk about capturing those picture-perfect moments. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who thinks their phone camera is a magic wand, make sure to pack a camera that can keep up with all the adventures that await. And remember, the more awkward the selfie, the better the memory. All right, tech enthusiasts, this one's for you. When you're busy snapping selfies, checking emails, and scrolling through social media, the last thing you want is for your phone to die right when you're about to post that perfect sunset pic. So, do yourself a favor and pack a portable charger. It's like a lifeline for your Instagram feed. Trust me, there's nothing worse than being stranded on a deserted island with no way to call for help. Or, even worse, no way to order room service. Alright, let's talk about shoes. Specifically, the unsung heroes of your cruise, comfortable walking shoes. Because while those high heels and sandals might make you the queen of the dance floor, they're about as useful as a chocolate teapot when you're exploring ancient ruins or strolling through charming seaside towns. Now, let's dive into staying healthy on your trip. Pack your essential medications because the last thing you want is to be stuck at sea without your allergy meds or pain relievers. Imagine trying to barter with a dolphin for some aspirin. Alright, this last one might sound a bit cheesy, but it's absolutely true. The most important thing you need to pack for your cruise? A sense of adventure. And maybe some extra snacks for those midnight cravings. Cruises are all about trying new things, exploring new places, and creating unforgettable memories. Just don't forget your sense of humor, because you never know when you'll need to laugh at yourself. And there you have it, folks. My top 10 must-have items for your next cruise. From staying connected with a travel router to capturing those memories on camera. And let's not forget those multiple swimsuits, because, options. You'll be ready to set sail in style and comfort. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your cruise essentials? Leave a comment below and let me know what you never leave home without. And with that, I'm off to pack my bags. Just kidding, I haven't even started yet. Bon voyage, and may your sunscreen be ever in your favor.